Hey guys, Yuri here. So I know I just made a video about my Hermes haul and my Loro Piana shoes, and thank you so much to everyone who gave me tips about how shoes are supposed to fit. I guess when I was in Loro Piana, my feet were like tiny, and then I got home and my feet were swollen or something, but they were way too tight, so that was my dog. I ended up going back to Frankfurt and exchanging some things, and clearly I got a bit distracted because this is not an exchange. These are all new items. So I thought I would do a little haul for you today, and I have one super exciting item I bought. I didn't expect to buy it. If you follow me on my Instagram, you probably already saw it, but I'm going to unbox that with you guys too. So yeah, just before I start my haul, as always, I just want to show you guys one more new piece that I'm working on, and I'm going to send it out tomorrow. This one is from one of my clients who has been really supportive of me, my channel, and also my line, and it's so freaking cute. Just to preface, it is heavily inspired by the Sweet Alhambra butterfly from Van Cleef, but they don't make a pave diamond version. So she came to me and was telling me that she wanted a diamond pave version of the Sweet Alhambra butterfly. Everything like basically the same as what Van Cleef offers, except they don't make a diamond pave version of the very small butterfly motif. I'm going to show you guys and you're going to freak out because it looks amazing, and I'm either going to be sued or hired by Van Cleef based on this design, but it's so cute. Of course there's no logos because I don't do like the fake thing, fake pieces and stuff. Obviously from my hauls you probably know that, but it's heavily inspired, but it doesn't exist. So here it is. It's so cute, and I'm going to show you guys, but I just want to say, now that I've seen it in person, I'm going to make myself a French bulldog motif version of this, like just the French bulldog head with pave diamonds in this kind of like Van Cleef style where they have like the dots around, because it's so freaking cute. Isn't that just amazing? It's so cute. Even the back has the honeycomb kind of pattern that Van Cleef does for some of their pieces, like for their Sweet Alhambra flower, but it's so cute. This one is in 18 karat yellow gold with diamonds. I'm not sure how well you can see it, but I'm obsessed. It's so pretty, so dainty, and I don't know why Van Cleef doesn't make a diamond pave version, because this is so much cuter than anything they offer. So I'm going to first unbox my Loro Piana item because this is an exchange. If you saw my previous video, you saw that I bought summer walk loafers and then I tried them on at home, and they were so much more tight than they were in the store. In the store, I had like this much space between the top of the shoe and my toes, but at home, my toes were like at the tip of the shoe, so they were way too tight. I guess it's just like from natural swelling and stuff, but I exchanged it for an upgraded piece, I guess. So I went back and they only had a few options, actually 2 options in my size. And you know I had issues with the loafers, so I went with the mules, so they don't have like heels. And here they are. They do look a bit masculine, I know, and see they have like actually an alligator detail. So of course, in true me fashion, I exchanged something and I end up spending more money. So it wasn't really on purpose. I would have taken a normal leather version if I could. They just only had this and a lavender color without alligator, but the lavender didn't suit me at all. So I went with these. I think they're so cute. They are like pretty unique. You can't really find them anywhere with this alligator detail or crocodile, I'm not sure. But these are much more comfortable because they don't have the heels. So they're just like slippers. And look at the squish, okay? They're like slippers. If my feet bleed in these shoes, I just need to be like under house arrest and never leave the house, because how could I bleed in these shoes? If I do, I'll let you know. I probably will, knowing how I am and how my feet are, but I'm so obsessed. The quality is amazing. You can see also in the insole there is an alligator detail here. I got these in a size 39, and they're just really simple loafers that I'm going to be wearing in spring and summer. I've been so excited to unbox this because I wanted to start using it, and as you know, I was waiting to film this before I opened it. So these are the summer charms that I exchanged. The normal loafers were 900 euros and these were 1,800 euros. So it's double the price of one loafer, but I think I'll get a lot more use out of these anyways. Yeah, they are quite expensive for shoes, but okay, just to preface, I went to Hermes to buy more bowls because I wanted to kind of do an overhaul of my own tableware. So I'm going to go through all the bowls and plates and tableware that I bought, and at the end we're going to unbox the special thing. So I went into Hermes expecting to spend like 1,000 euros max. I left Hermes spending 9,000 euros, so I'm super excited to show you guys this special thing, but I want to go through everything that's not so fun first. So this is going to be saved for later, and let's just start with this one. I have, oh, I'm going to drop everything. I have a jewelry passion project I'm doing right now, and I thought this would be really nice to film photos, like make photos of my jewelry in, just as a prop in the background. So that's why I bought these. These are just soy sauce plates, but I think they would be really nice as jewelry plates or just like trinkets and whatever. But that's that, and this is from the Mosaïque collection, and in the color platin or platinum. These are little soup bowls, but they're so little, and as you know, I'm from Japan, and if you know any Asians, you know we eat rice 3 times a day or more. So I'm going to use these as rice bowls. I make rice in a rice cooker. I'm going to put it in this and I'm going to eat it and pretend that I have a luxurious life. So these are also from the Mosaïque collection. Very cute, very pretty. My essay said that you can technically put them in the dishwasher. He does for the things he has at home. I'm going to, definitely, but the platinum part of the bowls might get a little darker because of the dishwasher being too harsh on them, but honestly, I'll probably do that too. So these are just little rice bowls. These are just, actually I don't remember. I think they're both the same size, but the boxes don't look the same. These are the same size dinner plates, or technically they're dessert plates, but the dinner plates are so big I don't really know who eats off of those huge dinner plates. Here it is. This is from the H Déco collection, so it kind of has like this illusion kind of pattern, and it's really pretty. We just wanted a few more plates, so as I said, it's from the H Déco collection. Imagine if I break them while I'm filming. I don't have anyone to blame but myself. And last one, I forgot what I bought already. So these are, I think, the same that I showed in my last video. Now we just have 4. So these are from the Mosaïque collection in platinum, like I said, and they're just like shallow soup bowls. And after I chose everything, my essay asked me if I was interested in anything else, and I said, well, not really. Also, you're closing in like 15 minutes. And in Frankfurt, actually, they now have a makeup section in this Hermes, which they did not have before, so you had to go to Douglas or Sephora if you wanted makeup. But now they do, and he told me that he really, really wanted me to try this. So this is the Hermesistible infused lip care oil. And honestly, I wasn't really interested in it, but he was super insistent, and I was like, okay, like if you think it's gonna suit me, I'll try it. He was like very insistent. It's like, yeah, like all the flight attendants who come to our store, which the Frankfurt shopping district for luxury stores is like very, very close to the airport. So we get a lot of tourists and flight attendants, captains, like all these people. That's why the stock is also really, really miserable sometimes. And he said that each flight attendant that day from like some Thai airline bought 40 of these. So, I mean, I feel like flight attendants know their thing when it comes to makeup because they have to have like a really nice full face usually for work. So I ended up just getting what he recommended. This is like a color I would never go for, this berry color. Out of all the colors, this is the one that I would not get, but it's very, very transparent on the skin. It's not very opaque, so I went with it, and it smells like, I forgot, but I remember it smelled like something. It smells like berries. It smells like blackberries or raspberries, something like that. Yeah. I did try it on in the store, like the tester, but of course with the new dippy thing because ew. But I don't remember. So I don't have anything on my lips right now. A very light wash of color. Well, actually it looks not light in the... It doesn't look that crazy in real life. It looks straight up purple in the camera, but I swear in real life it doesn't look that crazy. It's more magenta and pinky, not yellow. I mean, not purple. I don't know why it looks like I have like a 90s lip on the camera, but okay. Anyways, I could like take it or leave it. I just bought it because he was like super into it, and based on like how we spend with him, I'm pretty sure this wasn't like for his commission, so I just trusted him. Like the commission he makes on this is like negligible, so does this color look horrible on me? I feel like he just made me buy like the worst color for me. Maybe I was delusional. But I swear it doesn't look that purple in real life. I don't know why on the camera it looks so purple. Anyways, I changed all my jewelry to my rose gold jewelry. Well, most of it. Because I wanted to wear this now. So I'm wearing my 18 karat rose gold lozenge cut ruby pendant that I made. My rose gold eternity ring. My Tiffany knot ring with the diamonds, but the smaller version. My Chanel mini Coco Crush. This is not rose gold, whatever. So, oh, and these earrings I recently made. I love them so much. They're so beautiful. They're the Rococo inspired studs. You can find the price list on my Instagram. Anyways, so I asked him, well, after everything, like the plates and the makeup, he was like, are you interested in anything else? And I was like, well, I want to try on the bracelet that you have upstairs. It's like the Kelly bracelet, but not the cuff, or the bangle. And he was like, oh, yeah, come on. And I was looking at the time. I was like, but you close in 5 minutes. He was like, it's fine. Like, you can just try it. And I was like, I'm just telling you now, I'm not going to buy it today because I wasn't planning on it. I will probably buy it like in the next few weeks, but today I don't have time, whatever. And he was like, yeah, it's fine. And look what happened. So anyways, here is the unboxing. Oh, there we go. This is the Kelly Gourmette 18 karat rose gold bracelet, not the bangle version, but the chain version, and it's so freaking beautiful. I love the rose gold tone that Hermes uses, and this Cuban link inspired chain is done so well. How it opens is you just unlock it like a Kelly belt or a Kelly bag, and then you pull the buckle through. I'm scared. Oh, there. And so here it is in all its glory. It's so beautiful. They have like a full pavé version where the buckle is like all in diamonds, but that was just way too extreme for me. It's very heavy. The next video I'm going to make a video about what pieces are worth it and what pieces are not worth it from the luxury brands, but this is very weighty. Of course, it's not going to be like a cheap price because it is Hermes, so if you're going to ask me, is it like a good deal for the amount of gold, the answer is going to be no. But as somebody who knows the material costs and how like much things would cost, I don't think this is a very bad deal. So I am planning a future video where I weigh the bracelets I have and tell you their price to performance ratio, and also discuss like what brands have more overpriced jewelry compared to what brands have more affordable jewelry. But that will be in a future video when I can figure out the gram weights for everything. But for now, I just want to show you guys this beautiful, beautiful bracelet. It does have my fingerprints on it right now, so just ignore that. But it's so pretty. The rose gold tone that Hermes does is just perfect in my opinion. And the chain links are done so well in a way that it will not snag on any of your arm hairs. I get comments sometimes asking like, why do I spend money on jewelry from luxury brands when I can essentially make them myself? And the answer is, I don't like to make fake pieces. Like, even if I know the material costs, I would rather respect the brand that came up with the design and just buy it from that heritage house. So I do have a hard time justifying some jewelry pieces that I will never buy just because I might like the design, but I just can't justify the price. But for some things, I just think it's really worth it. The price is not so overpriced as it might seem with like the execution of the piece and everything. So here it is on my wrist. This is the smallest size. I think they have 3 sizes, so small, standard, and a larger size. This is the smallest size, and I would say it's like a looser fit on me, but that's totally alright. I think it's so beautiful, and you can see there are 4 diamonds on this side and 2 diamonds on this side, and it just, I'm obsessed. I love it much more than my love bracelet. So I don't know when I'm going to wear my love bracelet now because it's just sitting here in halves. But I'm definitely not going to be stacking it. I want to enjoy this bracelet without scratches for as long as possible, which will be like 2 days maybe. As you know, 18 karat gold scratches really easily. It's just like the nature of jewelry. But I think it's so beautiful. I love the color and how it goes with this sweater as well. And I'm just overall very happy. And now that I've spent 9,000 euros at Hermes at once, which was not even expected, I really hope I'm going to get my quota bag soon. But this wasn't really like a purchase I made trying to get a bag. It's genuinely a bracelet that I've always really loved and have had my eye on. And just so happened that they had one in stock. So that's everything. It has been an excessive week for sure, but everything I bought I'm super happy with. I cannot be happier with this bracelet. I just think it's so beautiful. I know I keep showing you guys like this. I don't know if it like even matters, but I love thick chains, and I have been itching for a rose gold bracelet like this for a while. And I think that this bracelet is so much less common than, you know, Cartier Justin Clou and Bulgari Serpenti, which are the 2 bracelets that I was also thinking about getting. But I'm so glad I went with this one ultimately, because I feel like it's not as common, like I said, and it's definitely something that catches your eye. Plus, I have now this and the Kelly ring, which I'm not wearing right now actually, so hopefully that's like a big enough hint to somebody at Hermes that I would really, really like to buy my Kelly, which I should be getting in the next 5 months because they're supposed to fulfill your wish within 1 year. So yeah, that's everything. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys were having a wonderful week so far, and I will talk to you in my next video. Bye.